Hey everyone, want to create some super cool images without the hassle of signing up? This website is super easy to use and totally free, but there's a catch: you can only generate 10 images per day. Don't worry though, I've got a little trick that lets me generate more than 10 images, and I'm gonna share it with you at the end of the video. Alright, let's dive in and start making some awesome images. First, head over to fluxai.art in your browser. The best part? No sign-up required. I'll drop the link in the description. When you land on the homepage, you can check out some awesome sample images already created in both realistic and 3D cartoon styles. Plus, you'll also see the prompts used to create them. Ready to generate some awesome new images? Just hit that Start for Free button and it'll take you straight to the image generation page. Don't worry, the page is super simple, nothing to overwhelm you. You'll just see two main things, and that's it. Prompt column. This is where you type out exactly what you want your image to look like. Aspect ratio options. Choose the size that works best for you. Go with 1:1 for a square, 3:4 for a portrait, or 4:3 if you want a landscape. Heads up. The image generation process has been fast-forwarded to speed things up throughout the video. Alright, now let's write a simple prompt. For example, you could say something like, 6-year-old boy playing football in the ground. Let's create square image, which is 1:1, and hit the Generate button. Depending on the server speed, it might take a little bit of time, but don't worry, the results usually come super fast. If there's a slight delay, just hang tight. The AI's working its magic and the image will be ready soon. Just keep in mind, if you give a prompt like this, the AI will generate a super realistic image. If you want your image in 3D Pixar style, just add 3D Pixar style at the end of your prompt. Like this. 6-year-old boy playing football in the ground, 3D Pixar style. And hit the Generate button. Wow, the image looks awesome. You can download the image by clicking on this button. Alright, let's make another one. 8-year-old girl cooking in the kitchen, 3D Pixar style. This time we're going for a portrait image with a 3:4 aspect ratio. Just hit Generate. The image looks amazing. Here's another one, but this time let's add some extra details. Be specific with your prompt. It really helps the AI nail all the details perfectly. 7-year-old boy, blue eyes, messy brown hair, yellow t-shirt, blue jeans, white shoes, walking in the park. 3D Pixar style. Alright, choose 4:3 for landscape, hit Generate, and watch the magic happen. I hope the image will be excellent. Wow, the image looks awesome. Need more details in your description? No worries at all. You can always ask ChatGPT for some extra help. Just copy and paste the details from the previous image into ChatGPT and add a line at the end. Create a prompt to generate image. Super easy, right? In just seconds, it'll give you a polished prompt. Create an image of a 7-year-old boy with messy brown hair and bright blue eyes, wearing a yellow t-shirt, blue jeans, and white shoes, walking through a sunny park. The boy should be smiling and looking around, surrounded by green trees, grass, and a clear blue sky. The atmosphere should feel cheerful and playful, capturing a moment of joy and curiosity. All right, now just copy that ChatGPT prompt and paste it into Flux AI's prompt box, then tweak it however you like to get the image you're after. Once you're happy with it, hit Generate, and let's see what magic happens. The image looks amazing. These images are absolutely amazing. AI is creating some truly impressive work, with each piece showcasing remarkable detail and creativity. It's incredible to see how far technology has come, producing results that are both visually stunning and full of imagination. The possibilities seem endless as each new creation pushes the boundaries of what's possible. The fusion of art and technology opens up a whole new world of expression. It's exciting to think about where this journey will take us next. We're almost done, but before we wrap up, if you're enjoying the video and want to see more, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. That way, you'll never miss an update. All right, time for the trick to generate more than 10 images. This trick works most of the time, so let's dive in. Once 10 images have been generated, the process will automatically stop. To continue generating more, you need to completely close the browser and reopen it after a brief period. Then return to the website and start the image generation process again. If it's still not generating more images, try switching browsers, like from Chrome to Firefox or any other. That worked for me. Now let's get started on creating even more images. Let's write a prompt: white peacock with blue and white feathers. The image looks amazing. All right, now let's dive into a quick recap. Visit fluxai.art and click Start for free. Enter your creative prompt. Describe what you want to see in the image. Choose your image size, square, portrait, or landscape. Click Generate and watch your idea come to life. Need help with prompts? ChatGPT can assist in crafting the perfect one for you. And that's it. You're all set to create some stunning images for free. Have fun with it and don't forget to play around with different prompts to see what amazing stuff the AI can come up with. Happy creating!